Okay, we'll put this all under one big radical, and at the same time let's factor the coefficients. Now 36 is equal to 6 squared, which is 2 times 3 squared, which is 2 squared times 3 squared. So there's a factorization of 36. You know, 27 has a factorization. Well, that's just 3 to the third power. So if we put this all together, we have 2 squared times 3 squared times x to the 7th, y to the 7th. Then 27 is 3 to the third, and x to the 4th, and y to the 5th. So there everything is factored. Now let's combine what factors that we can. So this becomes the square root of, we have 2 squared. We have 3 squared times 3 to the third power, so that's 3 to the 5th power. And then we've got x to the 7th power times x to the 4th power. That's x to the 7 plus 4 is 11th power. And y to the 7th times y to the 5th, 7 plus 5 adds up to 12, so that's y to the 12th power. Now for the next step, we're going to divide all of the exponents by 2. It's a square root, so remember that means there's a 2 outside there. So dividing by 2, 2 divides into 2 once, so 1, 2 gets out with no remainder, so no 2's remain. And we need to move this over a little bit further. 2 divides into 5 2 times with a remainder of 1, so 1, 3 remains under the radical there. 2 now divides into 11 5 times with a remainder of 1. And 2 divides into 12 6 times with no remainder. So this leaves us with 2 times 9 is 18, x to the 5th, y to the 6th, times the square root of 3x. And so our radicals, the product simplifies down to this.